Hey guys, Dave G, welcome to another Turning Timeout. Some big news this week. I'm happy to announce that I've finally broken through that 100 barrier. So I've finally gone over 100 subscribers. So for those of you that may have noticed already, my URL has changed. So I now have an official custom URL, Dave.G.Designs. Once again, I always say it, but thank you so much to everyone that supported me on the journey and continues to subscribe and watch my videos. I hope you're enjoying them. I just want to give a couple of mentions out to a few stickers and stuff that I've got. So apart from the ones in my hand, all the stickers that I've had are now up on the board. So at some point I'll get around to filming that, but I just wanted to get a quick time out in before the end of this week. So my first shout goes to Mike over at MSA Wood Creation. So Mike Atkinson sent me a sticker. Thanks for that, Mike. And also nice note in there. I like that. So I appreciate that. I appreciate all the support. And I'm happy that you're enjoying my stuff. Obviously, this being a big week, for those of you that don't realise, I got my Nick Zametti Keep Calm Waffle on, and also my Maker Central. So they'll definitely be going up. For those of you that don't know, I'd say, where have you been living? For those of you that do know, everyone's talking about it. Maker Central this weekend, NEC Birmingham, Saturday, Sunday, the 5th and the 6th of May. I can't wait. I've had my tickets since last year. I'm going up on the Friday. I'm staying over till the Monday. I'll be at the Hilton, so if anybody's around and wants to meet up, hey, give me a holler. You know where I am. I've even managed to convince the missus to come with me, and believe it or not, she's even excited about it, and she doesn't do a lot of the stuff that I do, but she's very impressed by it all, and she's really supportive of it. So I'm glad that she's coming, and we're gonna have a nice weekend together. I have my stickers available, so I've got, I don't know, 200 or 300 stickers printed off and ready to go. So if anybody needs a sticker, come and shout me. I'll be the big fella with the merch. I've got my Dave.G.Designs hoodies and t-shirts and whatnot. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody as well. I've got so many people that I wanna meet up with, people on groups that I'm on. I'm not going to mention names because I'm bound to forget people, but there's so many people out there that I wanna hook up with and just say hi and shake their hand, and yeah, it'll be good. It should be a great weekend. Once I'm back from Makers, I'm hoping to then start doing some turning. So I want to do some more turning projects. So I've got a couple of things. I've got, as you know, I've got my good friend Will over at WH Creations. He makes some fantastic pen blanks. And this is on my agenda. It's something I want to get into, but I just haven't had the time. Plus I've been waiting for Makers, so I'm hoping at Makers I'll be able to pick up an air compressor and a pressure pot and all that kind of stuff. But Will's made me a couple of pen blanks. So this one has got some, like a live edge off of some wood that he's got sticked and stacked, and it's got like this, I don't know if you can see that gorgeous purple colour, and it's almost like a I don't know if it's some kind of glitter or something in there, but you can see it's like a hybrid blank with bits of wood and whatnot in. And this one, I absolutely love this one. This is it's got green and red and a bit of gold in, and this is pine cones. So you can see he's put pine cones in there, but it's almost a shame to turn it because I love the sort of spider look from that pine cone on the side there. So yeah, so I'm really looking forward to turning these. I've just got to choose the right pens to go with them. So cheers for that, Will. But I'll put a link below to Will's site. He's got some great build videos and stuff. And also I'm looking to do some more bowl turning. I want to try and do, I've done one bowl, Unfortunately, it was before I had my channel, so I didn't video it. But I want to try and do some more bowl turning, and I'm looking to do. I've got a thing about sported beech. I absolutely love sported beech and any kind of sported wood. So I've got this blank. You can see it looks fantastic. But I must have at least, I hazard a guess at about probably half a dozen that are similar to this. But then I've got oak blanks and ash blanks, and I've got a zebra wood, like a zebrano, you know, loads of stuff. But I want to start turning some bigger pieces, and you know, learning from that. So I'll do my best. This is one of my dogs has come to say hello. Hey, buddy. So yeah, so look out for that in future videos. But yeah, just a quick one to say, I'm really looking forward to Makers. I'm hoping, I'm not promising anything, but I'm hoping that there will certainly be some videoing up there. I'll certainly be looking to do some filming while I'm at Makers, but also I'm probably going to look to do something like maybe a live stream. Who knows? If you like the video, give it the thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it the thumbs down. Feel free to leave a comment. I do try and reply to everybody. Yeah, you know, I'll put links to all the sites: Makers Central, Nick Zametti, Mike Atkinson, all those other people, these great makers and that. And yeah, hopefully I'll see some of you up at Makers Central. So happy turning. Cheers, guys.